Do you guys have a 2024 through 2026 Mustang GT and are like me and think this front end does not have the aggression it needs? Because I don't know about you guys, but if you guys have a base model Mustang GT or even a premium, the front splitter or the front lip that it has, it is not it. It does not look good. As you can see on my 2026 Grabber Blue Mustang, it literally looks like it's non-existent. And to bring you guys closer, it literally is nothing. So in today's video, we're going to be changing Bluey's look because this lip has to go. It absolutely has to go. And in today's video, we're going to actually be installing this one right here. If you can't see it or can't read it, it is a lip from MP Concepts that's going to transform this front end from looking like this bland looking thing to what it's going to be in just a moment. So come with me as we install this MP Concept. Let's go ahead and put the car on stands, pull it up, remove that lip, and then let's transform the front end that much more, because now that we have the quad tip in the back, and if you guys haven't seen that video, leave a link in the description. The back looks pretty good. Now let's make the front look mean and aggressive. Everyone knows we got to do a cold start first. Oh baby, does that never get old? That cold start is beautiful. Well, now that we have her up, let's go ahead and open the MP Concepts box so that way you guys can see exactly what splitter you guys have. I'm gonna say most of you guys already know what splitter it is because this is one of the splitters that everyone does. I was either gonna do that one or the RTR one, but honestly, the RTR one is not it for me. I've seen it in person and something about the side sticking out way more than the middle. It was just not something I enjoyed. So let's go ahead and unbox it. That's your middle. This connects to this. Well, here it is. Here's the middle and the other pieces. Like I said, it's a 3-piece splitter design. I think it is one of the most fantastic looking splitters for the S650. I hate how it's a 3-piece, but needs to say that's what we have to deal with. So let's get working on removing this stock one. Alright, well here you guys have it. You can see this is almost nothing. This is not even an inch wide. And this is again why this is going out in the trash. And we're dumping that, getting rid of that crap because now it's for the fun part. Let's go ahead and install the MP Concept. Yeah, guys, look at that. Let me bring you guys closer because we just finally finished. Okay, I don't want to say finally finished because it's not bolted up yet. It's not bolted up by any means, but heck yeah, look at that, dude. Look at how much more that sticks out. This is gonna make the car stands look so much more gnarly. Oh my god, I'm loving it. Again, I'm not a fan that it's a 3-piece. I know it has to do with saving for packaging and all these other things to make it cheaper on their end, but guys, let me know in the comment section below, what do you like, this or the before? Because I think this looks absolutely amazing. So with that said, let me go ahead and bolt everything up. We'll wash the car and then yeah, that'll be pretty much it for today's video. Once again, we're doing another thing to make this Mustang GT, and if you don't know, its nickname is Bluey because my other car is called Clifford. So you have the dynamic duo, Clifford and Bluey. Let me know, would you guys do this splitter or would there be another splitter you guys would do? I'm curious to everyone's opinion, but let me know what you guys think because I think this is exactly what it needed because the front end looks a little bit eh. We're going to be doing more, so stay tuned because canards, a wing, and so many more things are coming in the future, but with due time. But let's go ahead and finish this up and then let's go get it a wash. Well, there you guys have it. We finally finished the install for Bluey's MP Concept front lip. As you can see, it looks mean, green, aggressive. Let's go ahead and give this car a car wash. The only thing that I'm worried is taking you back here is, as you can see, now because the lip is so much lower and it's a double stacked lip, our ground clearance is almost non-existent, which currently is not the biggest problem. But if you don't know, unfortunately, this is something that's going to bite me in the butt. The welds that I have, I put very small tire size. Because of that, the overall tire set is actually an inch smaller as well. So this is actually going to end up be dropping an inch as well, which might be a problem because I wanted to rock the welds as soon as possible. But as you can see, she's so low to the ground. Oh my god. Bluey, what the freak? Why are you so low? Now I don't understand how people put this lip and do lowering springs to lower it an inch, because basically by putting the welds, that's exactly what it's going to do. It's going to lower the whole car an inch. Enough yapping. Let's go ahead and give this monster a good cleaning. I do want to give a quick shout out to my friends at over. It's not really my friend, but he's a YouTuber I very much enjoy and like. At Tough Towels, I did purchase his towel. And again, if you don't already know, this car is honestly kind of inspired by him because I've always seen his Grabber Blue Mustang, and I think that the Grabber Blue looks amazing. And because of him, we ended up getting Bluey. Because if you don't know, I am not a fan of blue. My favorite color is red, so this doesn't really fit the me theme or what I genuinely like. But looking at the color in person, especially when we wash it up, it's gonna look so amazing. So let's go ahead, let's wash her up, and then that's gonna be the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, please consider dropping a quick like, and until next time.